Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're working on my father's S13. You guys remember this guy right here? Guys, as you can see, this is my friend Arubadavez. Well guys, not only does he own a cool car collection, but he also designs and sells cool car accessories like these ones. And today guys, we're installing this bad boy on my father's S13. What you guys see here is my friend's Arubadavez wiper delete kit design for the S13 for the S chassis. So if you're looking to install a wiper delete kit for your S13, stay tuned. Alright guys, for those who don't know, this guy right here is my father and we're doing this together today. So are you ready?
Ready.
What are we doing today?
Today we're gonna change the wiper for this wiper delete kit from Arubadavez design.
Arubadavez, okay. Alright guys, in order to remove this rear wiper, we have to lift this tab up and you'll find, key size is
12.
A 12mm bolt, and my father is going to take it out, remove it now.
Alright, so it's supposed to be very easy. Just here we go. And you just lift it up. It's supposed to come very easy. Hey,
there you have it guys.
Alright,
there you have it. So guys, I'm going to remove this rubber boot here. You have to just take it out. And now we're going to open the trunk, and underneath the trunk we should find the wiper motor. We have to remove that also. Let's go. We have to order new struts for the hatch. Right now we're just using a piece of wood to hold it for us. And now we have to remove this panel right here. Just remove these clips. My father is going to do that right now. Alright, now that we have it all removed, we have to remove this wiper motor by removing these three 10mm bolts and removing this connector right here.
first of all, we're going to remove the connector. Very simple. You just press this and oops, it's out. And now we're going to look for the tools, 10mm, so we can take the wiper motor off. Right guys, we have our 10mm socket and going to remove the bolt. So we crack all the 3 bolts. There we go. And here we go. So it's supposed to be come off very easy. And now it should be come out, how I say, very easy. There we go.
There you have it guys, this is the wiper motor. And now we're ready to install the delete kit. Alright guys, what you see here is the wiper delete kit. I have it all laid out for you guys to see what this kit consists of. This right here is the bottom part, the weatherproof seal, the top part, and the Phillips head screw. So when you assemble it, basically it goes like this. You have the weatherproof seal that sits on the top part. This is the bottom part, and the screw, you have to screw it here. It should look like this. We're going to install it on the car now. Let's go. Alright guys, this is the top part with the seal installed. Now my father is going to screw down the bottom part.
Oh,
Alright guys, as you can see, everything is ready. Now my father is going to install this panel back into place, and then we should be ready. Such an easy modification. Alright guys, as you can see, it's done. Arubadavez designs on this delete block makes it look very clean, and it's a very easy installation, so you guys can have an idea of what it looks like. In my opinion, it looks very clean. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Alright guys, so that was the installation video of the wiper delete kit on my father's S13. If you guys are really interested on buying this specific wiper delete kit for your S13, make sure to look for Arubadavez on Instagram. Send him a DM. He will hook you guys up with this amazing, high quality, clean looking wiper delete kit for your S13. So that being said guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like it. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification button. So that being said, you guys take care. See you on the next one. Keep it sideways, baby. Let's go.